Welcome to presentation of the functionalities for the application for tourism development in Macedonia. In the following minutes, you will see how to find the transportation options within the area of interest. Query and the choice of the transportation is enabled with the Find Transportation tool. The tool provides two options for locating available transportation means within the area of interest. First option considers using noun objects as a reference point for the search, for example, the hotel where you are placed. For that purpose, within the Find Transportation tool, we will go to the objects we are located in. In the field Show Results Within, you can choose the area within which the search will be performed. When the search is done, the list with the results is shown, grouped by the type and within the chosen area. We will see now the details for one of the offered options. Except this way of querying, the transportation options can be searched with other reference point. In this case, you would select the location you are located and then enter the search zone. Upon getting the results, you can choose from the transportation means nearby. We hope that our guidelines will be useful and that the application will help in planning your trip. Enjoy your stay.